For all of last year, I had the pleasure of being the co-founder and producer of one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube with my boy Stefan from Mod to Fame. I learned that I love telling stories as a filmmaker and having such a wide range of passions from cars to cameras and cuisines. I struggled trying to figure out which one to tell. So I decided to tell them all right here. Maybe you come here for cars, but one thing that is universal is food. Everybody gets hungry. And you might see some barbecue how-tos here that make you want to go out to your backyard and fire up some charcoal. Welcome to your new favorite channel. Tell a friend.
That is a contraption.
Yes, it's a back saver.
It's probably light as heck though. I'll give you $12 for it. With the camera.
And the camera?
It's a bunch of carbon fiber.
It is, yeah. That's why it's so late. Saves your back.
That is actually pretty cool. I've never seen a contraption like that.
They're doing movies with that kind of stuff.
So that camera stays level no matter how you push it.
Yeah, I can.
But you got to do it pretty reasonable.
Yeah, you got to dial it in.
Go ahead.
I won't
go down.
make it favorite low if you're going to do low shots or high.
Yeah.
You adjust it all right here.
And you can turn it sideways.
That is so
Yeah, I can
cool.
turn it sideways, and like I can run and be running next to someone and face it back at them.
We're running at you.
Wow.
Modern day
Well,
technology.
back when you were kids, they didn't have cameras though, right?
That's right.
Chiseling on rocks.
We didn't even have dials on the phone.
I know, right?
We had to pick it up and call the office. Yeah, exactly.
Got it.
That's the truth.
Operator, connect me to KL212.
Ooh, sticky.
Again, guys, quick note, there are 2 tech lines back there, so no need to pile up in one.
I'm Jason Miller from Miller Brother Productions, contracted here by Roper Raceway and TX2K to handle track prep here at the TX2K. Well, I got here on Monday, flew in from Maryland to handle the track here at Roper Raceway for the TX2K. Basically, when we get here on Monday, it's basically coming in and scraping the racetrack. Basically scraping the racetrack down, taking all the old rubber off the racetrack, and then going out here, cleaning all that off, and then rebonding the racetrack, putting fresh rubber down, and then different chemicals we do throughout the event, and get the racetrack back in good shape again. It took about 3 days before we opened up on Thursday for the gates, and we started roll racing on Thursday, but the track really held up all weekend. We set the run order for things for the weekend based on classes for what kind of different tire needs they need for wheel speed on the starting line, and then do our maintenance throughout the event and keep it up tip top.
Are you telling people they won when they come in? Is that what they're planning?
Right, I wish. Now I'm over here just flagging them down. Hopefully they don't get into a crash. This is actually my first time. I've came here a lot actually, and loved it. And I wanted to work here, so I've been waving down flags, parking people, making sure they're straight. It's fun actually.
Can a brother get some of that?
Last night was only tested
Sitting on the wrong side.
Friday night
on the right
tested
side.
to
good. The seats are lowered for me, you know, and the cage is on the outside, so I've got pretty good amount of clearance. Yeah, we're gonna try and break the stick shift GM record. That's the hope, but we're pretty far from there. You know, it's at 806 right now. The record's at 806. We've only gone 84, but we've got more power now. So if we get the car to work right and I get the shifts down correctly, we'll be right there. I hope. You know, but all I can do is hope and see how the car does. We'll find out.
Running your car today?
Yeah, definitely. Oh yes.
With the same car?
With the same car, yeah.
How'd you do?
It was 3 years ago. We were running mid-8s.
In the 8s? Okay.
Yeah. So we'll see if we can do better this year.
Well, the track conditions look pretty good today.
Yeah, definitely.
I saw them out there pumping it.
Yeah, they are. So it should be good.
I don't know, it's electric. It's got one horsepower and 3 foot-pounds of torque. That thing's awesome. That's so cool.
This when you thought your setup was badass, somebody comes around with that shit.
Look at that.
Give me wars.
Jesus. That is amazing. Yeah, what, about $5,000-$6,000 worth of shit?
Altogether?
12? Damn, I believe it too.
Car's good for a low 8 number, so that's what we're hoping. 164 in testing on a real soft launch yesterday. So when I grew up in Daytona Beach, and when I wanted to learn how to drive, I told my dad that I wanted to race, and he said, "I think you only have enough money for drag racing, so do that."
Good, I love the color combo.
Thank you.
You running today?
Huh?
You driving this car today?
She is.
She is?
I ran yesterday. Oh, hey.
How'd it do?
I hit the water box and I kind of slipped out a bit. So next time I know I have to do like a mini burnout. But we waited like 3-4 hours just to make that one run, so.
Oh, because of the weather conditions, right?
Yeah. So today should be better. Lesson learned every time. I'm hoping to get in the 10s, 10.5 at least. Yeah. So I'll be in that class, 10.5 class.
Got it. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Upgrade right there. You see the start line crew mopping up a little bit of slick stuff on the left-hand side. Hopefully not too much damage.
Supporters, carriers out here.
Your car's getting a lot of love with all these autographs, man.
Free products, learn about what these guys have to offer, and spend some time talking. There it is.
Yes. As long drag strip.
Yes, we do. Please.
From Suffolk or Nassau?
We're from Suffolk. I'll take it wherever you want to give it.